Right, so we're here at GSX 2024, Valcom booth 2221, showing off our new VEMASS platform. This is our enterprise level software that gives you complete command and control of all of your locations, from emergency alerting to system maintenance to monitor down to the individual endpoint. This software solution here gives you that flexibility to control all of those things. With this solution, you have the ability to see all of your campuses in one view and be able to do things like emergency procedures such as lockdown, secures, holds right through this platform, as well as it being a reactionary platform that allows you to put preemptive automated actions in here that if a certain school or site goes into a particular protocol like a lockdown, then the surrounding sites can go into something like a hold. So it's very easy to use the platform to do things to a single location. You can click on that location, send an alert directly to that location here, send an update, automatically put like a school into a lockdown. This would be what was happening at a local level, going out audibly, visually to the people that it's in harm's way. And I'll stop that. And then you can also have the solution where you can do the automated actions, like I said before. So if you look here, this is an automated action that we have here to where if these two locations were to go into a certain state like a lockdown, then you can very easily put the rest of your organization into a hold or secure, right? So you can be very proactive when it comes to emergency alerting. So if you're here at the show at GSX, come by, see us here at Valcom booth 2221, and we'd love to show you our complete solution of how we can help you not only at an enterprise level, but down at that local level, reaching the eyes and ears of your audience to keep them out of harm's way.